Yeah. Hey, welcome back indeed. Being safe. Bona is Nararan, Mr. Big, Mr. Gigi, Mr. Welcome back to our episode Good Life podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm with heavyweights. Nama kankara. And I'm heavyweights. No Mr. Abahambi, Mr. Mushengu. Guys, if you don't know, I don't know, but I heard someone says these guys walked from Pretoria to Cape Town. Hey!
Yeah.
Hey! Abahambi Tshwane. Yeah. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Okay. Mr. Mushengu?
Welcome.
Mr. Abahambi? Welcome indeed. Let me start by saying, now, Mr. Abahambi, who is Mr. Abahambi? And again, welcome to our show, Be Safe, a Good Life podcast.
Okay, my name is Moses Abahambi.
Yes.
I was born in Mamelodi, 25. So we went to Tshwane when I was 8 years. I'm a father, I'm an uncle, I'm everything.
Yeah, everything, and just Madalaki.
And I'm also an athlete, South African athlete, 100 meter. Also the veteran record holder, even now.
Wow.
I'm 55 years old.
So record holder for?
For 400 meter veteran, under 35.
400 meter?
Yeah, V85.
Wow.
So I represented my country in many countries since 1984. In South America, Puerto Rico. So I'm also a community leader.
Yeah. No.
As a community leader.
Yeah, thank you so much. I can see that when I become you, I'll be so much like you one day. Hey, 400 meter. Mr. Mushengu.
Yeah.
Sundawana, come here.
How's it?
Hey, you just came here to disturb my peace.
Yes, man.
Hey, why win? Why is that dance?
Represent Mamelodi.
Who is Mr. Mushengu?
My name is Mushengu Shabalala. I'm the chairperson of the Abahambi Tshwane.
Yeah.
Originally from Mamelodi as well. So I'm a fitness trainer. I've been doing fitness for the past 25 years.
Yeah.
Recently, I'm the South African Reserve Bank head coach. So yeah, I've been around. I've been doing fitness all my life. Abahambi Tshwane, it's actually 6 fitness trainers.
Yeah.
Around Gauteng North, we share the same expertise in fitness. So yeah, I've been around. I've been to Gladiators, MTN, SAPC 3 Gladiators. I've been working abroad, overseas as a trainer. I've been to London. I've been to US. I've been to Cape Town. So yeah, I've been around.
Yeah, I see in our casita, I want to control.
Yeah.
Chima play away.
Yeah.
Abahambi Tshwane. What's that? Can you give me a background so that I can understand what is it Abahambi Tshwane? We'll get into the integrity of why you guys did what you did, but now I just want to understand who is Abahambi Tshwane.
Okay, Abahambi Tshwane is a NPO.
Okay.
Foundation.
Yeah.
That was formed by Mr. Mushengu himself.
Yeah.
But the name we collaborate together and just think, what can we name as ourselves?
Yes.
So that everything seems, we talk about Soweto, everything is Soweto. June 16, Soweto.
Yeah.
Soweto be here. There's nothing for Tshwane. We also, when you go to abroad, you may say, we come from South Africa, in Soweto. I was there, in Soweto.
Yeah.
Understand? So everything is in Soweto. If you guys the street, when Mandela was born, all the legends, they are from Soweto.
So, and there's a lot of legends in Tshwane, Pretoria. A lot of them.
Yeah.
Even Dr. Samuel Sonyane, who's that? There's a lot. So you guys are just uplifting that and making that you are putting it in the map.
In fact, we are tired of about South Africa. Yes, South Africa is all provinces.
Yeah.
So without us lifting our province, then it's a failure for us.
Yeah.
So we thought, let's name ourselves Abahambi Tshwane.
Tshwane.
Yeah, we represent Tshwane and South Africa.
Now, Mr. Mshengu, you guys are coming up with this Abahambi Tshwane. What were you thinking, or what is the drive and the purpose behind it to say, "Hi, man, we guys we are fitness trainers, we are runners, we are what? What was the purpose of it when you guys said and say, look, we want to come up with this, and this is what we want to achieve. What made you to come up with that?
Actually, the main purpose for the Abahambi Tshwane, it was that we wanted to test our endurance test, to check on the body, how can the body take, or how much pain the body can take. So that's why we embarked on this journey. That's why we came up with the plan. So we said, instead of just walking to test our endurance, let's have a theme, like let's have a plan. Let it be, it must have a purpose at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Then what we did, Mr. Apane, he adopted a young girl. She's 12 years, turning 13 years this year, Lebogang from social movement. Sishoka, yes. So she was diagnosed with brain cancer over the years. So if you have diagnosed from cancer, brain cancer, your body doesn't function. You feel pain everywhere. She can't walk. She can't do anything. She's on a wheelchair. So she doesn't enjoy the life of being a child. So she's vulnerable wherever she is. Then that's when we put that into place. And then what I did as well, I adopted a street granny in town, which I was supporting her financially. So every week I would just pop in some money and give it to her. So she's staying in Emotla, which is the borderline between
Among everything, Northwest and
yes,
Victoria.
Northwest and Victoria, exactly. So she travels from Motla to Pretoria in town, CBD, to beg for money. So I put her in this project so that we can assist her as well financially. Then there's quite a lot of purpose on this. Another one, we wanted to reinstate the wellness clinics around the townships, so that what we say to our government, meanwhile you are still working on tackling the unemployment issue within the townships, youth more especially, and then tackling crime. So we come as a mediator to say, we are fitness trainers. Meanwhile, we're waiting for the government to do all that. So we want to bring hope to the youth, to say, let's just keep them fit while we're still waiting, to give them hope, so that we take them away from drugs, we take them away from the streets, we create some awareness, some health awareness within them, so that at least it makes sense to them. So at the same time, we're going to create employment on that, because already City of Tshwane, it came on board. We have been given Solomon Mahlangu Freedom Square in Mamelodi, where we can start to facilitate those sports fitness within the township.
Yeah.
And then when it grows, then we can franchise it to the other regions as all. So,
Sabuya. Hey guys, What you don't know, it's very, very, very. When we talk about endurance, we are going to talk about it right now. If it was me, we went from Africa Mall to Big Safe Mabopane. I couldn't make it. I think I hit a flat tire when I was at St. Children. So these guys, they didn't make a flat tire. They went all the way to Cape Town. Listen to this. When you're in Bloemfontein, it says 1,000 something kilometers. These guys walked. Take me, Pramoses. I can't believe it.
Yes.
More than 1,000 kilometers, you guys. How many days? How many nights? How many hours? Take me to it. Just walk with me.
Okay, we started walking on the 1st of May.
1st of May.
Which was Friday.
Yo.
But before we start walking with from State Theatre, doing some exercises from Mr. Mshengo showing up for the community that were there.
Yeah.
Then at about 10, 11, we start walking from Reserve Bank.
Guys,
because he's
guys, remember, it's cold.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yes.
All these things, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold. It was raining again.
When you guys are starting the
journey? In the morning, it was raining, yes. So, but to be honest with you, 1.450 is too much.
Yeah.
But we are just, you know, you must be physically fit and mentally fit. Once you sleep one, you are dead meat. So we prepared a lot for this journey for more than 2 years. Remember, it was supposed to be January last year.
Yeah.
We then go to November, we didn't make it because of some sponsors late coming, whatever. But before,
speaking about sponsors, let me come in there. Speaking about sponsors, Mr. Mshengo, let me give you that opportunity to thank those guys before I go back to Mr. Moses. Just to thank them, we say, man, so, thank you for coming on board.
We just want to thank Big Safe. That's one of our biggest sponsors. They came even before we embarked on the journey. Through refreshments, they bought us a lot of biltongs, a lot of snacks, a lot of sweets that we carried along the way. However, we couldn't carry them because we had a lot of luggage in our bags. So whatever that we had, when we got, I think it was finished when we got at Freenachem or something.
Yes.
And then that's when we needed to reload. But fortunately, we had another sponsor that they actually they couried some, and then we find it somewhere in Paris or something. So we've got Big Safe Telecommunication, City of Tshwane, USN, they were there giving us supplements just to carry us along the way. So thank you very much, thank you Big Safe. Even now, after when we came back, we had an event, a welcoming back where Big Safe, they actually did a lot for us. They sponsored the event. Thank you for Mr. Nelson Jalim for being there for us. You know, we appreciate very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Dango. Jadim, Dango. You may continue.
Yes, before the walk, remember you have to train hard.
Yeah.
But we knew that we were going to sleep on the street, under the bridge, police station, filling stations.
And I saw along the way some hotels were hosting you guys. Someone was even saying, "Hey, for the first time we are eating a proper meal." I even laughed. Hey, eating a proper meal.
About that, we never slept on the filling station.
On the road, by the grace of God.
Yeah. So what I'm trying to say, we knew that we were going to suffer a lot.
Yeah.
But by the grace of God, everywhere we go, people are waiting for us. I didn't even believe when we embarked and reached Joburg city center. People were so happy.
Dancing for us.
They knew that they were coming. They didn't know.
Yeah.
You just walk without blindfolded.
Yeah. And speaking about that, Mr. Mshengu, you guys end up meeting someone who saw this initiative and decided that, you know what, let me jump in also. And I think you were in Kurman or something.
Yes.
And his Facebook just grew in just a minute like that, meeting you guys, and he walked with you to Cape Town.
Yes. We had an opportunity to meet with Jason. He's an American skateboard. He's a skateboard guy.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think he was skating from Uganda to Cape Town. So, so we met with him at Worcester. No, not Worcester. Beaufort West.
Yeah.
So we started to meet up with them. So the organizers and our organizers, so they just wanted us to engage with him so that after 1,100 kilometers, I think from Toes River to Worcester, they made us run after Jason.
Yeah.
So we had to run another 10 kilometers at the highest speed because we had to rush after him. He's on a skateboard.
And you guys must run.
Skateboard.
Yeah, because I saw Moses was like in front, and you guys were walking, and he was running.
Yes. So the skateboard it has wheels.
Yeah.
So we have to run on the slope. Yes. I think we were running close to 7-8 kilometers per hour. That was the fastest speed ever a person could run.
And I saw the love that you guys
got.
got.
Yes, exactly.
Wow. I think what was that town that you got the most love? Because there was even a boy there with a poster. Yeah,
Toes River. No, I think
how was the feeling there?
The feeling was amazing. It was amazing because I think he had a good capacity, and so that it gives us an opportunity to be exposed to the social media as well. Because a lot of people, when we entered Northern Cape, they didn't know us that much, because people, they only knew about us when we go to that township or whatever, the city. So after having to meet, to engage with Jason, then people started to know us because I think we departed when we get to Worcester. Worcester. That's when we pulled the plug.
Yeah.
Due to some reasons that made us to pull the plug. And then Worcester, Kraaifontein and all, when we went there, all the communities were waiting for us, accommodating us from their houses. Others, they booked us.
And that's when you guys started to eat nice food.
Exactly. We started to eat nice food.
Now, out of the blue, I'm seeing nice food now.
Exactly.
I'm like, these guys, they are no longer walking.
And another nicest thing is that between Worcester and Paarl, yes, and Paarl, the station commanders of those cities, they communicated amongst themselves. That's when we started to get the escorts. That's when one station commander communicated with another station commander. When we get to that town, there's already communication. They are waiting for us. It's either they give us a place to sleep, because we did sleep in police stations.
Yeah.
Sometimes seated, and then they will buy us food. They will escort us to another region. It was so amazing.
As we close it now, you guys arrive in Cape Town. You have achieved your goal. How is it that you guys can take what you have achieved and try to sell it to the next person and say, I went through this endurance because this is what I wanted to achieve, and may you please believe in what I believed in. So when you came back, do you think you guys have achieved the main goal, or do you still feel like the message, yes, it went there, but you can't wait right now, you still want to see it and then see how things will work out? I'll start with you, with Moses.
Before I can dwell in that one,
Yeah.
Abahambi, we didn't go and search for sponsors,
Yeah.
like door to door.
Yeah.
We said we're gonna risk our lives. We're gonna use our body for donations. It's not like maybe you are doing a festival, people come and pay, and you make a donation, you give to the donors. We work so that they can sponsor us for those two, Miguel and Dadmakogo. So our work was to show that we are not after the money, because I can't leave my wife, my children for 30 days working for that little girl.
30 days.
Yes, it's a different stakeholders that we use our body and then they pop up the money. But actually, what your question is like this: when we reach Bloemfontein, is when we expanded, exploded, and recognized.
Yes.
After Bloemfontein, we said, we can go home back. We can go back home.
Yeah, but
but no, the community.
The awareness now is
back there.
it's massive now.
No. We got what we wanted.
Yeah.
Already what we wanted, we got it from Bloemfontein legislature, Netcare, everybody there.
Yeah.
For donation and sponsors.
Yeah.
But it was for us. It was no. We said we go to Cape Town.
Yeah.
We gotta go. Maybe many will come. Understand? So legislature office of the speaker of the office, the former premier, chairman of the NC, another doctor said that so he just go with us and make a meeting, and that guy is one of the best person in the world. He just command. He's like God.
Yeah.
He command.
Yeah.
So when he take us to this guy, he said, "You're gonna pay them."
Yeah.
Instructions.
Yeah.
The soldier. You're gonna pay them. He go to the hotels. Meet if we meet with you, you're gonna pay. You must pay something.
Yeah.
You like it or not.
That's
So it's very that to know
that's blessings.
and what I like about our work, immediately when we reached Prefontaine, that girl was recognized already. There is a company in Joburg that they will supply the pampers for him. The other for wheelchairs, and they're gonna, if they are broken, they're gonna fix them.
And on that, before the time enters, do you think Uti, us black people really do understand such diagnosis? Because I think we need more education in such things so that we understand them how to take care of people who are having such problems. Do you think we are not doing enough as black people to understand this type of diagnosis, or we need more education?
I think it's in both. They either know or they just know. Others they don't know, others they did. Remember in 2019, I did work from Mafikeng to Tshwane Stadium for prostate cancer awareness. Because I lost my fiance with cancer. So I was looking for Cancer Foundation, but they turned me off because I said I'm gonna go to my fiance and me and mad until I get the prostate cancer foundation from the report. That guy adopted me. It's when I work from Mafikeng to Tshwane Stadium. For the purpose of, they don't know what is a prostate cancer, what is breast cancer. Even now, many men, they didn't know that they've got breast cancer because they've got teeth.
Yes.
If you yourself, it might catch you.
Yeah.
So they must know what is prostate.
Yeah.
Yes. So I went to the school and they teach me everything about prostate cancer, what is the symptoms, everything about it.
Yeah.
So I know everything, but it was not me.
Yeah.
So when there are funerals, prostate cancer, they come to engage with them.
Okay.
So the same applies with brain cancer. Many people, they know that there's brain cancer. They don't know the symptoms. It's where when you walk, and you know what we did? When we sleep at the police stations, we asked the station commander to go to the schools and look for us for only 30 minutes.
Yeah.
We're going to go to all the schools, we go there. We preach the gospel of brain cancer.
Yeah.
They will teach them how to exercise everything. It's what we do.
No, thank you. In short, Silvana?
I think just to add on, Mr. Apanes, even your question to say, did we achieve our goal? I think for the fact that we are here with you, with all these beautiful people here, it's an achievement on its own. It said all what we worked for, it has been achieved. So coming back to the awareness issue, I don't think the awareness, it has been driven enough, because while we're on the way to Cape Town, I think after Bloemfontein, we did try to engage with Cancer South Africa. So they couldn't get back to us. And then I think those are the people who should be making more awareness on such. They should have engaged with us to assist us on such. Even today, we haven't had any response from them, because our main purpose to embark on this walk, it was more on health awareness and other purposes. That's what we did when we got to Northern Cape. Northern Cape, we had an opportunity to engage with schools to say, just to make them aware of fitness. So that was our main purpose of doing all this. You know, even the media, I don't think is doing enough to promote such, because the only thing we hear about in the news and all is all this Matlanga Commission thing, telling all these criminal stories. We don't want to hear about who's looting at the government and all.
Yeah.
When we got to Leidenburg, I think Northern Cape, there are 3 schools there, 2 primary schools and high school. There's a construction company that's doing, I think, the tie road and all. They bought the track suits for all the students for all these 3 schools. Those are the stories that we want to hear. We got to hand over. There's this white farmer, Mr. Stefan. That guy is so concerned with the development of the township, more especially the youth. Those are the stories that we want to hear. We don't want to hear some criminal stories that we hear all the time in the news and all. So the awareness, I think we're still on 0%. We don't have enough awareness campaigns around. So that's why we, Abahambi, we embarked on this work. We want to come back. We want to still install this awareness campaign. So we'll be all over the place. We're still gonna go from one township to another township, visiting schools, just trying to make these awarenesses so that they can be installed, because we can't wait for our government to do this for us. We started, we want to do things ourselves. If you can see, South Africa has just stood up now. Everybody, they're doing things on their own. So that was another main purpose of our work and having to develop Abahambi.
Yeah. Guys, if you are at home and if you are experiencing some similarities to what we are talking about, you can share our details with you and how can they find you. Mr. Mshengu, you can just share your details. If they want to communicate more, you can look at this camera and then give them your details.
You can find Abahambi Tshwane on TikTok, Abahambi Tshwane, Facebook. We've got a WhatsApp channel link, Abahambi Tshwane. That's where you'll find the whole details. If maybe you want to donate, we've got a bank account in those accounts. And then you can have an opportunity to talk to us. If there's any ideas, any information that you need to dish it to us, yeah, we are more than welcome to engage. Thank you.
And again, we're going to embark every year for a different occasions.
Yeah.
But on my dream, I told him that many people kill albinos, thinking that they can make much of them. They are also human beings. It's what happening in the world, especially in Africa.
Yeah, West Africa.
So they say that they are aliens. They call them aliens, but they are human beings. So we want to raise awareness that they are human beings.
Yeah, it's true, because I can even add something. Even my son, because I have albinos in my family. Even my son, the way they're so scared of them, I even end up calling my niece and like, you know what, can you just stand here? And he stand there. And I said, I'm touching him. What is it that you are afraid of him? Because he's a human being. He's just Uti, and he's more yellow than you. It doesn't mean Uti is not human. So I think it also that it helps. I'll be joining if you're gonna do that, because something that is close to me.
We're walking to Africa then.
Walking to Africa, right, guys, one of the speakers, and it's a ching ching. I want to say thank you to Mr. Mshengu and thank you to Mr. Apale, Abahambi Tshwane, for embracing us today, for being part of beautiful guest on such a walk. Till I meet you next time, Bona. Bye-bye.